Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see switch case in PHP. So switch case is basically just like if-else condition, but you need to write a less code in switch case. But let me just give you an example with if-else. So here, let me just declare a variable, let's say $result equal to, let's say grade A. Then we are going to write a if condition if $result equal if it is A, capital A, and let's just keep this inside to double quotation and this one as well. So if the grade is or result is A, we're going to say here echo you got A. Then we're going to give a else if condition. Else if we're going to say here $result equal if it is B, then we're going to say here echo you got B. So like this, let me just write one more condition. Let me just copy this, then paste it here. I'm going to say here C, and this will be C as well. After that, let me just give a else condition here. Else, let's just say here echo you failed. So right now, if we just save this, then if we refresh here, there you can see it will say you got A because the result value is A. If we say here B, then refresh, there you can see it will say you got B. Then if we just say here C, then refresh here, it will say C. So we have three conditions A, B, and C. So let's say we give over here if there is no condition for F, so it will directly go to the else condition and it will print you failed. So let me save it, then refresh here, and it will say you failed. So the same thing we can do using switch case, and the code will be more easier. Let me just show you. Let me just remove those. Again, let me just declare a variable. Let's say $result. The same thing equal to, let's say, capital F on now. Then we're going to say here switch. Since it is a switch case, we need to say here switch. Then we need to mention this variable, which is $result. Then we need to give to second bracket. So inside this, we're going to write some case. Since the name is switch case, so we are going to say here case, it will be A. Then we need to give a clone here. Then we are going to say here echo, and we'll print here you got A. And for switch case, there is a second bracket, so we need to say here break. So this is case A. So here whatever value we have, it will compare it with this result variable. So if the value of result is A, it will come to this switch case and it will see that for case A, the value for result, which is A, it matches with this one. So it will print you got A. So let me just copy this and we're going to write a few more case just like this. So we're going to say here case B this time. Case B. Then here we're going to say you got B. It will copy this, paste it here. And we're going to say here you got C for case C. So right now in the value for result is A, so it will print you got A. If we now save this, then refresh here. Okay, I made a mistake. We need to give double quotation here. So let me just give double quotation for this on, and this on. Let me save it again and let me refresh. It will set you got A. If we just say here in the result value B, then refresh, it will say B. If we say here C, it will say over here you got C. Right now, what if we give D here? Now there is no case for D. So if we refresh, it will show us nothing. So just like if else, we have a default option for switch case as well, and that is we need to say here default. We need to give a clone here, then we can just say here echo, then you can say you failed. Okay, so what will happen is that if the value, this value doesn't match with any other case, then it will just print whatever we have in the default case. And for this default case, you do not need to give any break. So let me save it, and the value is D, which do not exist for any case. So if we now refresh, it will say you failed. And also just make sure to give the break for each case. because break means that this case end over here. So those are the basic of switch case. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.